Hello everyone and welcome back. In this lesson we will talk about emerging technologies, and in this session we will explore exciting information that are shaping the future, from mobile cloud services to IoT devices, which is the Internet of Things devices, the real communication tool and health focused mobile application. So these technology are transforming the way we live, work and connect. When you go deeply in this lesson, you will find a lot of things. It started with the mobile cloud services, and all of us, we know nowadays, all of us, we are connected to the cloud, and cloud is where we save our data. Cloud, it's called a cloud, but it's not satellite or in the cloud. No, it's under the ground. Okay, it's under the ground. It's millions of let's say thousands of servers, and those servers, because the number of servers is a huge, and because we don't know where they are, it's called the cloud, but it's under the ground. It's regular data center, like any regular data center. They have hundreds or maybe thousands of servers. We use them to save our data on, but because they hide the place of those servers, and also because the number of those servers, we call it cloud. The two big companies that they are now fighting about who is the best in the cloud service is Amazon AWS and Microsoft Azure. Okay, those big companies, they are working right now in US about cloud. Until now, we cannot decide who is the leader, but both of them are good in cloud computing. Okay, so cloud, again, it's a storage where we store our information on the cloud. Some examples about cloud is the OneDrive, which we already discussed in different time in this course. OneDrive, sorry, it's a cloud from Microsoft. We have Apple iCloud, where you connect your Apple phone to the cloud. Every time you buy an Apple, you should have like an account to upload everything on the cloud. We have Google Drive, which we use it with the email, and also we have Dropbox, also we use it with the email. Cloud applications, we have a lot of them, but cloud in general, it have different types. Like when you want to buy a cloud from a company, or let's say rent a cloud from a company, they ask you what type of a cloud you want. So we have a lot of types of the cloud. Let me show you some of them. Cloud types, not weather, on computer. Okay, so we have this kind of cloud. We have the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS or IaaS. SaaS is software as an application, software as a service. PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS is infrastructure as a service. So when you contact with a company, for example, AWS, Amazon company, and you want to buy a cloud from them, they will ask you which type you want. If you said I want an IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, this means you buy a service from those company, but it's not a full cloud, it's just the infrastructure of the cloud. Which means instead of, you want to build a company, and instead of buying like routers, switches, cables, and to build the infrastructure of your company, you can buy the infrastructure from them. So they will build a virtual network for them. It's for you, it's not a real one, it's not physical one, it's virtual. It's the most cheapest type of cloud, because you still need to hire engineers or administrators or network people who have to configure your network. So they give you just the infrastructure, but you need to hire someone to configure it. PaaS is a platform as a service, and it's one of the most popular cloud that you buy, which includes everything. I mean, literally everything. I mean, you have let's say a company, and this company, you do cleaning, cleaning company. So cleaning company, you should have an HR for the people who work for you for cleaning. You should have a managers department, accountant, people who calculate their salaries, who manage the bank accounts, and a lot of things, customer service, and a lot of things. PaaS, 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 or platform as a service, you call Amazon, and you told them, this is my company and I want you to give me a platform. So they give you a full company, but it's virtual with all of the systems. It's more popular and it's less cheap because you don't need to hire anyone. They control everything for you. You just need to hire the employees or the people who you need to do the cleaning stuff, and some people for HR and some people, but you don't need, let's say, programmers and engineers to build the system. It's already built. SaaS, or software as a service, it's popular, but like everyone uses it also, but it's depend on the service or on the application. So you call them and you said, I need this one. And one of the most popular SaaS is Zoom. Zoom is a cloud, and everything and all the meetings that you do, you save it on the cloud. So Zoom is a kind of a SaaS, which is software as a service. All of those are clouds, okay? Or you can just ask them to give you the regular cloud, which is just a storage, an extra storage, because you don't have enough space in your email, or you don't have enough space in your phone, or you don't have enough space on your laptop. And then instead of buying a new laptop or a new phone, or include like or add more extra storage unit, you just purchase cloud. It's cheaper, and also not only cheaper, it's more secure for your data, I mean, because they make a daily backup for you, but it's not 100% secure as a cyber attack. Everything have let's say vulnerabilities. Okay. And then they start talking about a lot of things, some applications that you use on your phone, like the fitness and health applications, where it's count everything for you. It's count calories, it's count number of steps you walk today. It's count, for example, your blood pressure and a lot of things that you need to do as a health care. Then they start talking about IoT, which is Internet of Things devices. It's one of the most popular technique nowadays. Internet of Things is everywhere now. Internet of Things, which means anything smart that you connected to the internet, even from cameras, where you can connect them and watch your house, or anyone who ring your bell from internet, like even if you are in another country, you can keep watching your camera, or even like e-books, electronic books, or even anything. For example, garage door. Garage door, it's just a door until you connect a chip for that door and you start controlling this one through an application. A lot of articles, they are talking about Internet of Things, and they said in 2023, in 2030, after 5 years from now, each house in US will have at least 500 IoT. Starting from sensors, even the AC sensors right now, when the temperature is high, the AC stop, and when the temperature is low, the AC again working again, right? All of those are sensors. Your smartphone has at least 20 to 30 sensors. They sense everything about you, right? Your car, they have a lot of sensors. All of those are IoT devices. Anything that you connect to the internet, you make it smart, is an IoT devices. Some of the IoT devices like fridge. Okay, so this is an application. It's called home automation. Sometimes we call smart homes. If the country have a lot of sensors, we call smart cities, smart hospitals, smart office. Everything that have smart thing or IoT device, it's become smart. So this is an application where you can connect a lot of things or control a lot of things in your home, even light, power, or let's say temperature, or any other sensors in your home or in your office. For example, fridge. You have a fridge, regular fridge, but when you connect some chips on the fridge and make it IoT device, for example, it can sense if the milk is, for example, you are running out of milk. This device will search on the internet for the closest and the best price grocery stuff, and they can order it for your address. And when you come, you will find it on the door. They just order milk, because even we did not ask her to, or ask the fridge to do that, but it's smart and it can sense that you need more milk. Also, we have Amazon or Siri or whatever kind of eco smart speakers. All of those are IoT devices. Then they start talking about some storage units, and then about some websites that we use I don't know if you know this one. It's called Square, and this one we buy it, or we order it. By the way, it's free. Like if you have your own business, and you already have the business, let's say, ID number or a business tax number, you can go to square.com and you can order this one. For example, you sell some stuff and you sell it on a bazaar or anywhere, and you don't have a machine to do swapping for people card, so you order this one, you connect it to your phone or you connect it to your um, tablet, and people, they can swipe here their card and they can pay. Okay, again, it's a free. You can go there and you put your business ID or business whatever information. It's free, come to your home, but they will take 200% from any transaction you do all over, like long life. Okay, but the device itself is free. Some students, they ask me why we did not activate like the pay with phone, like when we put the phones like next to each other, we can pay for each other. I told them some people, they did not activate it, like me. I did not trust and I did not activate because there is a lot of hackers who can just stand next to you and they can just take some money from you if you activate it, and it's happened. So I'm some of the people who did not activate it, and I like to go with square or swipe. Even my card, I did not tap it when I go to grocery. I did not activate those stuff. I did not tap my phone, for example. I just pay and swipe my card in a regular way. So they will show you a lot of things about businesses, about IT, and how to use IT in real life everywhere. Some of those titles are repeated, and some of them is new information. So please double check them and see whatever your professor will ask you to do for this week. Usually, as I told you, it's let me try plus a quiz plus a discussion. Okay, this is everything for today, and thank you for so much for listening.